All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's Monday today, 22nd of July. We're going to talk about euro dollar. I'll show you what kind of levels I'm expecting to see, what kind of price action as well. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So we post videos like this every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We talk about the majors. We talk about gold and Bitcoin as well. So for those of you who are trading crypto and Forex, a lot of beneficial information. Hit the subscribe button right now, and also check out the links in the description below this video. Subscribe to our email newsletter. We've already sent out the email for today before I'm recording this video, and it includes our key levels on gold and some other instruments as well. So like I said, link in the description below this video. So let's carry on now. What we have here on euro dollar, in fact, we're going to start off from the weekly time frame. Okay, so plenty of levels as you can see on my chart. This is where we're currently trading. Just have a look at how last week's candle closed. Okay, a nice rejection wick to the upside, but we didn't manage to get a candle, a body close above the previous weekly candle, right? Instead, we closed below that level right here, and we've got a nice rejection wick to the upside. If you look at price action here on euro dollar, this is the weekly time frame. Okay, keep that in mind. We've been trading sideways pretty much. I think right now, well, at least that's what my forecast is, but I'm expecting to see this pair continuing higher. Okay, so again, we're looking at previous highs here, 1.1030. We've got levels of around 1.11 up to around 1.12 as well. Okay, this previous high from the weekly time frame, which is from 2023, last year. I think we're going to see that continuation higher. Before that though, considering that we've got this weekly candle closing like this, we may see some sort of a pullback before that continuation up. Okay, so if we look at the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, I've got my Fibonacci levels all here, and they're based on this most recent swing move to the upside. Now we have the 38.2 retracement level, which is the 1.0840, and we've also got the 61.8 retracement level, which is the 1.0780. Okay, so if we do manage to get a pullback all the way down here, obviously that will be perfect, because it's going to give us a pretty decent risk to reward ratio trading opportunity here. If we manage to get a close and a rejection down here at this level, we're going to be looking to enter long with stop loss just below there, and expecting for price to continue breaking above previous highs, right? If we don't get that much of a pullback, then the 38.2 level is another level to watch out for. Again, 1.0840. Okay, now this is pretty much what we want to see. Retest here and then a continuation up, or ideally, like I said, a retest down here and then a continuation up. But that's only if we get a pullback. Now, even if we do get a pullback, before that pullback, what might happen is we may see price. Okay, let me just delete that. We may see price coming up here to retest the previous highs. Okay, and just when a lot of people are gonna get in long, then we can see the market dropping lower, testing previous lows and support levels. So, if that's the case, then are we going to be looking to buy or sell? Now, considering that we are in an uptrend here, okay, a clear uptrend from the higher time frames, if we drop down to a lower time frame, now if the market doesn't break below that immediately, below this level, and give us a confirmation that it will continue lower, at least for now, short term, then we can look for some sort of rejection right here. So, if you want to enter to the upside, I will only be aiming for those previous highs up around 1.0940. Okay, like I said, I'm expecting that we may see a deeper retracement before we see that push higher. So even if I'm going to be looking to take a long trade now, I'm only going to be looking for a rejection around this level right here, then a continuation up, and I'm going to be looking to take my trade off up around previous highs, or at least move my stop loss to break even. And ideally, depending on how price action moves to the upside, you can move your stop into profit as well. Okay, but again, that whole idea won't be valid if the market breaks below this support level 1.0870. Then I'm going to be expecting a continuation lower, okay, before we see that reversal. So this is something to watch out for here on euro dollar. I mean, if you look at the setup on GU, it's pretty much the same thing. Okay, so we've already confirmed that uptrend, price breaking above major structure right here, and we now have a pullback. So we're looking at the 38.2 level, which is 1.2880 here on GBP USD, and the 1.2780 level, which is the 61.8 retracement level on this swing move right here. And then we're going to be expecting, once we see that pullback and we see a rejection as well, so we don't enter blindly, we want to see how the market reacts around those levels. And this is the same here on euro dollar. If, let's say, we see price coming in testing that 38.2 level, we don't enter a buy trade immediately. We want to see some sort of rejection right here, okay, and then that's going to confirm our entry. So that's it pretty much when it comes to euro dollar. What you need to be aware of is, again, the weekly candle, okay, a nice rejection wick to the upside. So this is our first signal that we may see a deeper retracement this week, okay. And just keep in mind that if we're about to come and retest previous highs and then see that pullback before the next leg to the upside, I mean, that could take a month, okay, that could take a long time. So, you know, if you're looking to trade, again, watch out for this level here. If you see some sort of rejection, then you can enter long with aggressive stop loss and targets up here at previous high. And if you see that breakout, then just wait for the 38.2 level next. If price breaks below that as well, then we're looking at the next level, which is the, again, 61.8 retracement level, okay. Now, if you want to get daily updates on setups like this, we've got a premium channel where we talk about all the pairs in my watch list on a daily basis. So I'm sending out short daily videos in the beginning of London session, so you are prepared for the day ahead. You know what to trade and what to expect. If you find this valuable, let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, join our free Telegram channel for more trading information.